If you want to pay with PayPal on Steam but don't know how to set it up, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Using PayPal on Steam is a convenient way to purchase games, add wallet funds, or buy in-game content. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can make payments easily without any confusion. First, open the Steam app or go to the Steam website and sign into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, browse the store and select the game or item you want to purchase. Click on Add to Cart and then proceed to checkout. Now, on the payment page, you will see multiple payment options. Select PayPal as your payment method and continue. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal email and password to sign in. After logging in, review the payment details carefully, including the amount and currency. Choose your preferred funding source if you have multiple options linked, such as a bank account or card. Once everything looks correct, click on Pay Now or Continue to confirm the transaction. After payment is completed, you will be redirected back to Steam and your purchase will be successful. If you want to make future payments faster, you can save PayPal as your preferred payment method in Steam settings. This allows you to skip repeated logins. Also, make sure your PayPal account is active and has sufficient balance or a linked payment method to avoid transaction failures. In short, select PayPal at checkout, log in, confirm the payment, and your purchase will be completed on Steam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.